Our next assignment is Word WD Rainforest Letter. And again, for this assignment, you probably want to split your screen. So I'm going to scroll down to what we're going to do. The direction says we're doing what's called a template. So this is a letter that's pre-started, and we're just going to click what's called placeholders and type the actual text we want. So if Word is open, go ahead and open it. If not, you'll have to choose from your applications, open Word. But we're not using blank. We'll be using new, and then we're looking for what's called cover letter blue. So I'm just scrolling down to the information that we're actually going to type. And what you'll do is right click in the taskbar and choose Windows Show by Side. And I'm just going to scroll over and make it larger. Made it too large. If you go too far up, it snaps into full position. That's what I did. So I'm just going to scroll down. Scroll up here. So what I need to do is choose File, and then New, and in the search box I'm going to type cover letter blue. And then I may have to scroll down till I see cover letter blue. There it is. I'll select that one, and then here's just a sample of it's similar to the one that's on the screen on the left, and I'll choose Create. And I'm just going to slide it over my other document, and again I snapped it over, so I can make sure I put it underneath. Don't let it snap. Good. So what I'm going to do is, these are called placeholders, so if you select it, just clicking it, you go ahead and type in the information that's on the left hand side. And the same thing with the placeholders for the city, and this is just travel. And then for the telephone number, volunteer. And the same thing for the email. And you'll continue doing the same thing for the date. Go ahead and choose, we just did this recently, insert, text, date and time, and I'll select the third option and OK. And then the same thing for the recipient name, and just do the same thing. So you're going to select a placeholder and replace it with the information that's in the sample copy, which is the final copy. And when you get into this one where it has the entire 3 paragraphs, when you click once, it selects the entire paragraph, and you're just filling in this information. And make sure at the bottom you put your name in there. And if you wanted to go into design on your own and choose a page border, you're most welcome to, whatever you'd like to add to your border. Those apples are very large. Maybe I should make them smaller. And there you go. Page color if you'd like, but that's it. Just fill in the information that you see on your screen in the Word directions, and then save and submit. Thank you.